Okay, so this video is going to be reviewing how to solve exponential equations. So take a minute, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing that I notice is that these two bases are not the same. Okay, so now the next thing I think is, well, can I make them the same? Well, I notice about this 1/5 that I can make this 1/5 to have a base of 5 using negative exponents. So let's think about this. So if I have 1/5, this is really just 1/5 to the first. Well, I can rewrite this one as 5 to negative first. Remember, negative exponents flip it. So here I use a negative exponent to flip. Now I have these bases to be the same. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite it. So now I have 5 negative 1 negative x squared minus 6x is equal to 5 to the negative 5th. Okay, well now what do I do with these? I have to multiply them, so I get 5x squared plus 6x is equal to 5 to the negative 5th. Okay, my bases are the same, so that means I can set my exponents equal to each other. So I have x squared plus 6x is equal to negative 5. Okay, in order to solve this, I'm going to get one side equal to 0. X plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to try to factor this. Factor x plus 5 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Set both equal to 0. I get x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so now here's the awesome thing about this problem. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. So we have 1/5 here, negative x squared minus 6x is equal to. Okay, so here's the great thing about this problem is, so the bases don't match, and the first time we did it, we chose to change this base. Okay, but you could have thought, well, can't I change this one right here? So let's try doing it the other way. Let's try changing the 5 to the negative 5th to a base of 1/5 and see if we get the same answer. So I can rewrite this 5 to the negative 5th as 1/5 to the 5th. Okay, making it this not negative, and I flipped it. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite the problem. I have 1/5 negative x squared minus 6x is equal to 1/5. Okay, my bases match right here. So now I can set the exponents equal to each other. So I have negative x squared minus 6x is equal to 5. Okay, I want to get one side equal to 0 to be able to solve. So I'm going to move the left over to the right. So I'm going to add x squared, add 6x. So then I get 0 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 5. Okay, then I can factor this. I get 0 is equal to x plus 5, x plus 1. Set both of those equal to 0. We get x is equal to negative 5, and x is equal to negative 1. So it does not matter which base you change. As long as you can get them to become the same base using exponent rules, then we're all good.